Yes, hello, welcome viewers. So, functions, mappings. So, very well, very important for your various competitive examinations also. But we are discussing basically here for the TS IP aspirants 2021 and important questions. So, 2 marks questions. Those who did not watch the previous video, please check it and go through it. Share to near and dear after watching. So, next. If if A is equal to the set given 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2 and given that f maps from A to B is a surjection, okay, nothing but onto, and given f of x is cos x, then find B. So nothing but here solution. So here since f maps A to B is a surjection, then I can write here then f of A is equal to B according to the definition of surjective mapping, nothing but onto functions. Okay, so nothing but codomain is called range. Now here f of x given cos x, so then you have to find out the set B. So therefore now here first value is nothing but our degree. So f of 0 here, so f of 0 is cos 0, cos 0 is nothing but 1. Next coming to here f of pi by 6, pi by 6 is nothing but 30. So cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. So just you should able to know the trigonometric tabular value 0 to 90 degrees. So they are given in radians. So also now f of here pi by 4. So cos pi by 4. Pi by 4 stands for 45 degrees, nothing but 1 by root 2. So next f of here next value is pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees. Here it is 1 by 2. So finally last but not the least here, okay, f of pi by 2. Okay. So here nothing but f of pi by 2 cos 90 degrees is 0. So therefore all the values we have been completed, the given real numbers here, the radians. So hence therefore B is nothing but our f of A is nothing but our all the values. So nothing but here pick upping the values with the mark. So 1 here it is root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and here it is 0. So just you should able to know the values here. So 1 comma here it is root 3 by 2, next 1 by root 2, next 1 by 2 and finally here it is 0. So this is our final answer, the range here for the given defined function f maps from A to B where f of x is cos x. Okay, so nothing new, just remember here since it is a surjection, so this is a point we have to remember and follow it. Okay, so please note it children. So one more question we will discuss regarding 2 marks questions, again a problem related to f maps A to B. Okay, so f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. So here given that this f maps A to B, okay, so here it is a surjection, f is surjection. So that is missed in the question, okay, so rectify it. So nothing but solution here, f of x is nothing but our x square plus x plus 1. And since it is a surjection, f of A is equal to B. So f of A is equal to B since it is a surjection, okay, given in the question. So nothing but therefore now our values are nothing but 5 values. With respect to the 5 values we have to determine our B, nothing but a range here, f of A, nothing but here in the place of x minus 2. So whole square plus of minus 2 plus 1, which gives you 4 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, Finally here it is 3. So next f of minus 1. So minus 1 the whole square plus of minus 1 plus 1, nothing but 1 minus 1 plus 1 gives you 0. So next f of 0. So 0 square plus 0 plus 1 finally gives you 1. So like this, substituting all the values minus 2, minus 1, 0 completed. Next f of 1 and f of 2. So be cautious, f of 1 nothing but here. So 1 square plus 1 plus 1 nothing but 3 here. And next f of 2, 2 square plus 2 plus 1. 2 square is 4 plus 2 plus 1, nothing but here it is 7. So once again I am writing all the values what I got here. So here f of minus 2 is nothing but again 3, giving the conclusion, and f of minus 1 is 0, and f of 0 is 1 here. Next f of 1 is 3, and f of 2 is 7. So finally my b is nothing but here 3 comma, here it is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1. Small calculation here, nothing but 1. So here final values are nothing but I am going to list out the various values. So 3, next 1. Okay, next here it is 7. So in a set elements are not repeated, so don't write again 3 and 7 here. So these are the values of the set B here. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, so 1, next f of 0 is again here it is 1. For f of minus 2 is 3, and f of 1 is 3, and f of 2 is 7. Okay, so like this we got various values. So 3, 1, 1, 3, 7. So in a set elements are not repeated. So be aware of it, and this is our B, nothing but our f of A. So please make it and be cautious while doing the values. Okay, and write the